Hi, it's Will from StormTheCastle.com, and I've just finished up another project that I thought you might want to take a look at. It's all done, 100% complete, and I'm going to be using it real soon. That'll be in an upcoming video. But for now, I thought maybe you might want to take a look at it. It's called the DragonSlayer. So, there you go. And it's pretty unique. It's got a few different things about it. It's got some safety features that I like. See, the little light there means it's armed. Right, here's the trigger button right here. I've got a sight to view it, and I've got a protective Lexan shield for it to protect me from the blast. And I don't know if you can see inside that, but the DragonSlayer was a fun project to make. And I will be doing another video with this, or a couple more videos with it, so you may want to stay tuned. Thanks.